It can be intimidating as a novice affiliate marketer. You think you are going to set the globe on fire, but you're not getting very far. You are starting to understand it's not going to be as simple as you thought it would be, and you are beginning to feel bewildered and/or overwhelmed. You need to know how to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing, or you will give up. This is a feeling we are all too familiar with. Every affiliate marketer has been there at some point. However, all you need is a roadmap. What if there was a straightforward step-by-step tutorial that showed you how to make $100 every day without going insane, trying every strategy out there? Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Today, we will be talking about how you can make money on your first day with affiliate marketing. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. The majority of affiliate marketers are not concerned with the stats. They are basically attempting to push a bunch of things that fall within their niche, regardless of how much money they will make from them. But here is the thing. Amazon won't pay you $100 each day unless you get a lot of traffic, which is highly improbable if you are reading this. Consider this. Is it simpler to make $101 sales every day or 10 $10 sales every day? Or would it be simpler to make one $100 sale per day? You can locate affiliate items with commissions ranging from $100 to $5,000 per transaction, which would be ideal because you'd only have to make one sale every week. Spencer advises remaining within the $100 to $500 price range at the start. Find a few affiliate goods that will pay you $100 commissions on each transaction if you want to learn how to make $100 every day online. Then, concentrate solely on promoting those products. As a result, you only need to make one sale every day to earn $100 per day. That is how you make $100 every day online without going insane. Step 1. Select your affiliate products with care. As previously said, in order for this technique to be successful, we will be seeking high-ticket affiliate items that pay $100 to $500 in commissions on a single sale. But how do you go about finding such items? It is actually simple. Simply enter high-paying affiliate programs with no question marks into Google. Alternatively, you may look for terms like high-ticket affiliate products or recurring commissions affiliate programs. What you will receive is a slew of blogs with lists of high-paying affiliate schemes. This is fantastic since it means that these writers have already done the legwork in researching and locating the products for you. Furthermore, in most cases, they provide you with a brief description of each product or company and categorize it so you can quickly determine which ones to pursue. Step 2. Research keyword phrases for your affiliate items. The second stage in our How to Make $100 a Day tutorial is to uncover keywords that people are searching for on the internet that your affiliate product could help them solve. Then in the following stage, we will create content based on that. Look for keywords with a monthly search volume of at least 150. Keep in mind that you will be developing content around these keywords as you go. Select keyword phrases that will enable you to do so. Make a spreadsheet containing the terms you find, as well as a search volume for those keywords. Strive to create a large list of 10 to 20, if not 50, bits of material that you can batch out and construct. Step 3. Develop content centered on your affiliate product. The following step in this $100 per day method is to develop content for search engines depending on the keywords you discovered. Then you will publish those pieces of content on the internet along with links to your affiliate products. Because each of these channels involve placing materials on search engines, the finest pieces of content include blog articles, YouTube videos, and Pinterest pins. We employ this method on search engines rather than Facebook or Instagram because it is much more simpler. Would you rather try to market Wix to someone who is using Google, how to construct a website with Wix, or to someone who has just opened their phone and plans to spend 20 minutes on Instagram during their lunch break? Of course, the person you want to sell to is the one who is ready to take action, and search engines will provide you with that information. For the purposes of this video, we will discuss how to construct content so that your affiliate links get clicked. The simplest method to accomplish this is to include obvious CTAs, call to actions, in both your wording and layout. This is possible on blogs through the use of buttons and pop-ups. You may do that on YouTube in the description as well as with end screen and cards. You can link to a post or an affiliate product on Pinterest. The image you post on Pinterest is your CTA or call to action. You will write content that answers their inquiry while also attempting to entice them to do an action that will pay you money. When implementing affiliate marketing in this manner, you should include CTA buttons that your audience can use to sign up for your affiliate product. You can also include links in your material, but buttons are much more visually appealing and readily direct your viewers to take action. So when it comes time to insert your affiliate link into your material, don't be bashful about it. Make it big, bright, and colorful, and do everything you can to convey the value of signing up for it, preferably because you have chosen a product you truly believe in. Pop-ups are a second approach to draw attention to your affiliate connections. You could have a pop-up telling people to sign up for a free Wix trial right now. Another approach to using a pop-up is to get their email address and then send them Wix training, ClickFunnels training, or One Funnel Away challenge mailings. To automate this, I utilize ActiveCampaign. You can accomplish this on YouTube by including links in the description. YouTube also allows you to display a link on the screen by using end screen and cards. So you can have it say something like, "Grab your Wix trial right now." In fact, you can time your cards on YouTube so that they appear just when you mention Wix, prompting users to sign up for a free trial. You can link to your blog content or straight to your affiliate goods in your Pinterest postings. There are other ways to accomplish this, but the point is that you must have an affiliate link that is easily accessible. Then you must target the appropriate keywords for that particular affiliate product. You must identify the folks who will genuinely benefit from the product. The advantage of this method is that it is highly scalable. Some days, this is not how you make $100 per day. This is how to make $100 per day online by establishing an affiliate business that generates $100 per day regardless of how you work. It is a completely passive affiliate business. Once your content begins to rank, you will begin receiving commissions for your affiliate items on autopilot. Once you are at the top, you may stay there for 3, 4, or 5 years, bringing in new signups every day. Assume you are ranking for how to construct a website with Wix. Can you imagine how much money you'd make if you were ranked in the top 3 for that and received clicks every single day? The good thing about search engines is that they appreciate old content. So you may have old content that still generates revenue while increasing your business, aiming for the next level of $200 or $300 per day. Or you may spend your time with your family, traveling, or doing whatever you want while still earning that original $100 per day. That is the advantage of this strategy above any other method available. Search engines enable you to generate passive revenue rather than the hard active income seen on Facebook and Instagram. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.